In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to tasks in Google Calendar. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have Google Calendar open in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Google Calendar website and logging in if you haven't already. Once the calendar loads, you should see your main calendar view with your events laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your current setting. Now, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a vertical panel with a few small icons. These usually include things like Google Keep, Google Tasks, and possibly other tools, depending on your setup. We're going to focus on the Tasks icon. The Tasks icon looks like a small blue circle with a check mark inside it. It may be just above or near the calendar-related tools, close to the main calendar area. Move your mouse over that panel and hover for a second so you can clearly see each icon. When you find the one that represents tasks, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click the tasks icon, a side panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is your Google Tasks list directly inside Google Calendar. Here, you can view your existing tasks, create new ones, and see what you have planned, all alongside your calendar events. If this is your first time using tasks, the panel might be empty. That's completely fine. You can start adding tasks right away using the Add a Task field or the plus button inside that panel. Type in what you need to do, press enter, and it will appear in your list. These tasks can also show up on your calendar on the dates you assign to them. If you don't immediately see the tasks icon, make sure your browser window is maximized so nothing is hidden. On smaller screens, the right-hand panel might be collapsed. In that case, look for a small arrow or a thin bar on the right edge of the screen and click it to expand the panel. Once expanded, the tasks icon should be visible. That's all there is to it. By clicking the task icon beside the calendar tools, you can easily switch to your task list and manage your to-do